Alright, so I got a little project I'm going to be doing, which is not little at all, but I'm going to pull the bed off this truck and I need to be able to move it somewhere. So I made this little guy out of scrap stuff. And I already had the caster, so perfect. Just got done taking out all the bed bolts on it. These bed bolts are 18 millimeter. There's one up in that channel above the leaf spring up there, which you have to use like an air ratchet or something on that. Couldn't get my impact on it. Oh, don't mind the camera work. This one was a pain in the butt because someone welded this plate over where you normally have access. And that one, and then the last one's up through here and it goes through the hitch. But these are 18 millimeter, and despite this truck having a ton of rust, all the bolts came out without snapping. So now I'm gonna get some straps. I got big ratchet straps. I usually put them in these pockets here and crisscross them, and then I have an engine lift here that I'm gonna use to hook up and pick up. And before I get the bed lifting off here, the frame, it's easier if you take off the tailgate just so you don't have that weight in the back, because it usually wants to dip one way because of the weight. And these are easy to take off. Chevy and Fords, at least this year, truck are same. Just gotta, I don't know if I can do it one-handed, but there. That's how you do that. You do the other side, lift the gate up, pull it towards you, it'll unhinge that side, and pull it out, and then just kind of slide it off that one, and that'll be it. All right, before we get, too excited about ripping this bed right off the truck, in the back, right behind the bumper, you gotta undo some, sorry, this plug, this harness and stuff here. This one, and this one. Oh, maybe you don't have to do that. Sorry, just this one and this one. These are the ones that go down to the frame and the bumper. But sometimes they're stuck on, so usually I just squeeze and then I work a screwdriver between the plate and the plug, gently so you don't bust it, and that kind of just works it off. So we're gonna get that done, and then the other thing here, the filler neck here, there's 3 screws. These are 7 millimeter. They usually come right out, and then once you get it, just kind of push the filler neck down, and then it just kind of sits right there. And then as you lift it off, just kind of fish it around the bottom here, and it'll be good to go. Okay, so this is what it looks like up in the air off the truck. Obviously, before you get really high, once you get a couple inches, you can kind of see under it. You just kind of do a straight shot across to make sure there isn't anything else hanging up. But we're all good. I got the filler neck out there. So now all I gotta do is drive the truck out. So that's what we're gonna do now. So here we go. I got the bed off. I got it sitting on that little dolly thing I made. So that's good. So this is the reason why we're doing all this. Obviously this thing is junk. You can see all in here, this is junk. And this bottom frame rail here, it's pretty paper thin. This one here is about to go. I mean, the top frame rail's junk. That rear one's junk. The bottom of the frame rail there and the hitch and stuff, where that's all supposed to be, is not. This is all junk. So we got the easy part done, getting the bed off.